In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Jira features comparison for project management. Let's set the stage. Both ClickUp and Jira position themselves as AI-forward project management platforms designed to reduce busy work and keep teams focused on outcomes. They share a common goal, bringing clarity to complex work, but they approach it in different ways. I'll walk you through what each promises, how their AI features show up in day-to-day use, and the kinds of teams that might benefit most from each approach, so you can decide which one aligns with how your organization actually works. Starting with ClickUp, the vision is ambitious. It calls itself the software to replace all software. The idea is to consolidate tools and workflows into a single, enterprise-grade hub that saves money, time, and mental energy. A centerpiece of that strategy is tackling what it calls work sprawl, the fragmentation that happens when conversations live in chat apps, tasks sit in boards, documents float in multiple drives, and updates get lost in email threads. By bringing everything under one roof, ClickUp aims to pull context into the work itself, so you spend less time hunting down information and more time getting things done. At the heart of that experience is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant. Think of it as an always available teammate that understands your workspace and offers ambient answers right when you need them. It helps manage projects, clarify who's doing what by when, and even speeds up communication with AI talk-to-text, which is designed to help you type up to 4 times faster. If you capture a lot of meeting notes, draft status updates, or document requirements, this is the kind of feature that can streamline your workflow in a very tangible way. ClickUp also leans into specialized AI agents tailored to different departments. Project management agents track deliverables and keep schedules moving. Marketing agents help draft copy so teams can iterate quickly. Software agents support developers by producing quality code suggestions. Additional agents cover operations and employee experience, with the aim of removing tedious check-ins and closing the gap between strategy and execution. The larger message is clear. Whether you run campaigns, ship software, or coordinate operations, ClickUp wants AI to take on the repetitive parts so people can focus on higher value work. The platform backs this with bold outcomes. A reported 384% return on investment, savings of 92,400 hours, and payback in under 6 months. It's also trusted by millions of teams and meets global security standards like SOC 2 and GDPR, which matters if you're in a regulated industry or managing sensitive data. The promise is dramatic, saving 6 to 7 days every week, underscoring how heavily ClickUp invests in automation, consolidation, and AI-driven assistance. Now let's look at Jira. It describes itself as project management for the AI era, and it orients around reducing what it calls the work around work. The platform's AI layer, Rovo AI, is designed to jumpstart planning, automate tedious tasks, and bring the right context forward so teams stay aligned. Instead of treating AI as a side feature, Jira frames it as a way to shift your attention from administrative noise to meaningful outcomes. Rovo agents are central here. You can task them to build prototypes, write status updates, and flag risks while you maintain full control. The intent is to create a human AI super team. People guide the vision and make decisions, while agents handle that initial lift and routine upkeep. Jira also emphasizes orchestration, connecting your entire tool stack in one workspace and tying projects to strategic goals. That linkage is important. When planning, delivery, and strategy talk to each other, it's easier to see progress, anticipate risks earlier, and make adjustments without losing momentum. So, how do these approaches compare in practice? Both platforms are aggressively using AI to remove friction. ClickUp frames AI as a cross-department engine that brings everything together in one place with a personal assistant feel, ambient answers, talk-to-text, and role-specific agents. Jira highlights AI as a planning and execution co-pilot embedded in a broader ecosystem, where agents automate starts, updates, and risk surfacing, and the platform ensures projects ladder up to goals. On managing context, ClickUp's work sprawl message resonates if your team is drowning in scattered tools. By centralizing tasks, docs, and communication, the context follows the work. Jira addresses the same pain through Rovo surfacing the right information at the right time, and by orchestrating tools into a unified workspace, which can be especially effective if your organization already runs on a diverse stack but wants cross-project alignment. On speed and automation, ClickUp's AI, talk-to-text, and specialized agents can compress a lot of the writing and coordination you do every day. If you produce frequent briefings, sprint notes, or campaign plans, that acceleration is compelling. Jira's strength shows up when you want AI to get your plans off the ground, keep them updated, and notify you about risks before they become costly. If your team is delivery focused and operates within frameworks where status and risk visibility are critical, this may feel natural. Security and scale are also part of the picture. ClickUp explicitly calls out SOC 2 and GDPR, which signals readiness for enterprise scrutiny. While the broader ecosystem around Jira is well known, the information here focuses on its AI capabilities and outcome orientation. So if compliance is top of mind, verify the specifics that matter to your industry as part of your evaluation. In terms of outcomes, both platforms say they exist to give time back to teams. ClickUp quantifies that aggressively with ROI and hours saved claims tied to consolidation and AI assistance. Jira frames outcomes through alignment, focus, and reduction of administrative drag, making it clear that the goal is value-adding work instead of busy work. Here's the simple way to think about it. If you want an all-in-one workspace with AI woven across departments to centralize tools and eliminate context switching, ClickUp is built for that. If you want AI that kickstarts planning, maintains updates, flags risk, and ties delivery to strategy across an orchestrated stack, Jira is built for that. Either way, the key is matching the platform's strengths to your team's day-to-day reality. If you found value in this walkthrough, give the video a like, drop a comment with your team's experience, and subscribe for more practical breakdowns just like this.